Hey, Marcus.
Hey, what's up, Peter? What have you been up to today?
Nothing much, Marcus. Just been around the house. How about you?
Same really. I just got done robbing some graves, but I have some free time. You want to hang out at the fence or something?
I'm on my way. Hey, Marcus.
Oh, hey, Peter. Man, that was quick. You know, it was only like 30 seconds. You didn't even hang up your phone or anything. Well, yeah, anyways, is there anything on your mind you wanted to talk about, man?
Let's talk about Hardy's brand new beer batter cheeseburger.
Hey there, fellas! How's it hanging? Edgar! Do your ears not function correctly? I told you to stop bothering me all the time! Can you have some freaking decency and leave me the hell alone? Huh? Huh? You should be thankful I'm not putting a blade in the back of your stupid, scrawny pea-brain head! I mean, how many damn times do I have to tell you not to keep talking to me? You worthless, sorry sack of feathered trash! God, this is why everyone hates you! You're an absolute waste of life! Now get the hell off my fence! God, what is that guy's problem? Well, I'm sick of sitting around on this fence. Let's go see what's going on at the watering hole.
Okay.
Hey, Gerald, it's been a while. What are you up to? Well, just sitting here. What about you guys? Not much, really. Well, what about you, Peter? What have you been up to recently?
Well, yesterday I went to KFC for the unveiling of the brand new $10 chicken share deal. You can choose between 6 pieces of chicken, 9 extra crispy tenders, 12 hot wings, or more popcorn chicken than you can shake a stick at. Any one of those, just $10. That's 4 ways you can bond. Holy sharing. Did you know that the KFC Corporation based in Louisville, Kentucky is one of the few brands in America that can boast a rich, decades-long history of success and innovation? It all started with one cook who created a soon-to-be world-famous recipe more than 70 years ago. A list of secret herbs and spices scratched out on the back door of the kitchen. That cook was Colonel Harlan Sanders, of course, and now KFC is the world's most popular chicken restaurant chain, specializing in the same old original recipe along with extra crispy chicken, home-style sides, and buttermilk biscuits. There are more than 20,000 KFC outlets in 125 countries and territories around the world. And you know what? There's still a cook in every last one of them, freshly preparing delicious, complete family meals at affordable prices. Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's finger-licking good.
Well, okay. Anyways, did you guys hear that Brodus is coming back? Oh, really? I haven't seen Brodus in a long time. Who cares? Well, hold on a second. Who is she? Oh, yes, that's the new bird in town. She must be pretty shy. She hasn't spoken to anyone yet. What's up, gorgeous? Nice weather we're having, right? Well, are you having a good day today so far? Here, watch this. Oh, I'll impress you. Just you wait. Hey, man, what's up? You want to see a magic trick?
A magic trick? Count me in!
Alright, Eric, just hop right on up there.
Okay, sounds good. Are you sure this is safe, Marcus? Looks like a bunch of matches.
Yeah, man, trust me. I told you it's fine. Just hold still for a moment.
Marcus! Marcus! Marcus!
Oh my doing anything. Don't give me that judging look.
Well, thanks everyone for coming to my party. It's been so amazing. Okay, there's only one present left to open, and it said on a note from it that it's for Marcus, and he said to make sure that he's here before we open it.
Hey guys, hope I'm not too late.
Marcus, I didn't think you'd actually show up.
Oh, who are you kidding? I wouldn't miss this for the world.
Thank you so much for coming. Oh, I've been so excited to see what your present is.
Well, go ahead, open her up.
Okay. Oh, wow. What did you get for me, Marcus?
I don't know. Why don't you get in and find out?
All right. Let's see here. I really don't see anything, Marcus. Wait, maybe... Oh, yeah. Wait, maybe that's... Yeah, there's definitely something in here. I don't know. Well, it's kind of heavy, though. I don't know if I can pick this up by myself.
Oh,
Marcus,
hey,
it's getting pretty hot in here.
just so you know, I had absolutely no part in any of
all
this.
that?
Oh my gosh, come back. Do you seriously think that I would have anything to do with that? I was just watching this birthday party. Oh my god. Hey, I know you're probably kind of upset with me, even though I haven't done any of that stuff, but just wanted to warn you, I saw someone pouring something into this water. You probably shouldn't drink it. Oh, come on, you seriously think I would poison the water supply? Oh, come on, what? Come back!
Hey Marcus, what are you doing?
Well, Pete, I just put about half a ton of explosives into this nursing home. This explosion's gonna be heard for miles. Do you wanna watch?
Well, Marcus, actually I came to give you a bit of advice. If you're trying to impress the new bird, maybe don't involve fire or explosions. Go pick flowers for her or something.
Flowers, you say? Well, I normally burn all the flowers to make the bee population die out, but maybe that could work. Oh, well, these look nice. Yeah, I guess these will work. Well, I brought you some flowers. See, I'm not as bad of a guy as you thought I was. Well, there went the nursing home. Anyways, though, we're all good now, right? Man, I tell you, it was awesome. She was all over me. Seriously, like, she's in love with me, man. It's crazy. Hey, Peter, why does that mailbox over there have a big black ribbon on it? That's weird.
Well, Marcus, remember just a couple of days ago you killed that little girl at this house? Jackpot!
Oh, I did? I don't even remember.
Yeah, Marcus, it was terrible. Remember you pushed her off the ledge? It was really bloody.
Oh, yeah, I remember now. Afterwards, we went to Applebee's for $10.99 all-you-can-eat boneless wing Wednesdays. Good times. Is that a cow walking over there? Hey, Peter, watch this. I bet I could shoot it from here.
I bet you can too, Marcus. But is that really necessary?
And besides, you're a bird. Where would you get a gun?
I told you I could get him, Pete. Oh. A Kick production. Horse around.
That is so fucked up.